Welcome to Wild Wonders. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the captivating world of social insects, focusing on the intricate societies of ants and termites. Despite their small size, these insects demonstrate some of the most complex and fascinating social systems in nature. Join us as we uncover how these remarkable creatures organize their lives, collaborate, and thrive in their unique environments. Exploring ant societies. Ant colonies are marvels of organization and teamwork. Let's delve into the different members of an ant colony and their distinctive roles. The queen. At the core of an ant colony is the queen, whose primary duty is to reproduce. Depending on the species, a queen can lay thousands to even millions of eggs throughout her life. Typically larger than other ants, the queen is specially adapted for egg production. An intriguing fact about some queen ants is that they can live for over 10 years. A lifespan vastly longer than that of worker ants. Worker ants are essential to the colony's functioning. These sterile females take on various critical roles. Worker ants venture out of the nest to gather food. They follow pheromone trails created by other ants to locate resources and transport them back to the nest. Some ants, like the leafcutter ants, even engage in farming, cultivating fungi using freshly cut leaves. Workers are responsible for caring for the queen's eggs and larvae, feeding and cleaning them until they mature. An interesting behavior among ants is trophallaxis, where they exchange food and chemical signals through mouth-to-mouth contact. Nest maintenance. Workers build and repair the nest, creating complex underground networks that offer shelter and protection. For example, African weaver ants construct nests by weaving together leaves with silk produced by their larvae. Defense. Some workers focus on protecting the colony from threats. They use their mandibles and stingers to defend the nest and their fellow ants. In some cases, ants like army ants carry out coordinated attacks on other colonies or insects. Soldiers. In certain ant species, soldiers are specialized individuals with larger mandibles and enhanced defensive capabilities. Their main job is to protect the colony from predators or rival ants. These soldiers are often stationed at the nest entrance and may even sacrifice themselves to safeguard the colony. For instance, soldier ants can deter predators like the giant Asian hornet. Drones are male ants whose primary function is reproduction. Produced during the mating season, their sole purpose is to mate with the queen. Drones have wings and are seen during nuptial flights. After mating, drones typically die, having fulfilled their reproductive role. Some drone ants are so specialized that they are incapable of feeding themselves and depend entirely on worker ants for sustenance. Unveiling termite societies. Termites, while similar to ants in some ways, have their own distinct social structures and behaviors. Let's examine the key members of a termite colony. The termite colony is led by a king and queen, who are central to reproduction. The queen termite is famous for her ability to lay millions of eggs throughout her life. The king assists by mating with the queen and helping manage the colony. Remarkably, termite queens have a greatly enlarged abdomen to accommodate the enormous number of eggs they produce. Worker termites are the most numerous in a colony and perform various tasks. Workers build and maintain the termite mound or nest, an intricate system of tunnels and chambers. They use a mix of soil, saliva, and feces to reinforce the structure. Some termite mounds can reach impressive heights and feature elaborate ventilation systems to regulate temperature and humidity. Foraging. Workers gather food, primarily cellulose from wood and plant material. They bring this food back to the nest to nourish other colony members. Termites are crucial for nutrient recycling, breaking down dead plant material to enrich the soil. Nurturing. They care for nymphs and young termites, aiding their development into adults. Workers also engage in trophallaxis with nymphs, feeding them and passing essential chemicals for growth. Soldiers. Soldier termites are characterized by their large heads and powerful jaws, specialized for defense. Their role is to protect the colony from predators. Soldiers are usually immobile and depend on worker termites for food. Their strong jaws can be used to fend off attackers, and some even have chemical defenses to repel or harm enemies. Elates. Elates are winged termites that emerge during the swarming season, typically in late spring or early summer. Their primary role is to reproduce and establish new colonies. During the swarming phase, elates leave their parent colony in search of mates and suitable locations to start new colonies. After finding a mate and a suitable site, they shed their wings and begin building a new nest. The timing of this swarming is often synchronized with environmental conditions, such as rainfall, to increase the chances of successful colonization. Ants versus termites. Although ants and termites share similarities in their social structures, they also exhibit notable differences. Nesting patterns. Ants create a wide range of nests, from underground colonies to arboreal nests. Termites are known for their elaborate mound building and tunnel systems, which can be quite extensive. For instance, some termite species build towering structures that can house thousands of individuals. Feeding habits. Ants are generally omnivorous, consuming various foods including insects, nectar, and scavenged materials. Termites, on the other hand, mainly feed on cellulose from wood and plant material, playing a vital role in decomposing organic matter. Some termites have evolved mutualistic relationships with gut microbes to aid in cellulose digestion. Social organization. Both ants and termites exhibit complex social structures, but their roles and behaviors differ. Ants often have highly specialized roles within their colonies, while termites have a more uniform division of labor based on castes. If you enjoyed this exploration into the remarkable world of ants and termites, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wild Wonders for more incredible insights into the natural world. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.